Good morning, class. How are you? Today is Monday, the 4th of May, and today is your first day of online assessments. Guys, please know that your first assessment today is, and the only assessment for today starts at 11:20, which is break time. And I did specify in the rules that you need to be online 5 minutes before that. So I'm expecting everyone to be online at 11:15 and wait for the exam to start, okay? Um, you will be taking this exam through Microsoft Teams. You will take it online, so all you need to do is a device and Teams. That's all. I'm actually going to demonstrate on how you're going to do that, so you can get a little insight into how this is done. So actually tonight I created a little trial quiz for you to see how it's going to look. So at 11:15 there's going to be a post in our group, which is CHS Year 4A Miss Christina's class, and you will see something like this. You will see the assignment logo icon, and there will be the name of the quiz or the name of the assessment, and all you have to do is view assignment. So you will click on it. Okay, it's taking its time. Okay, it's loading. All right, perfect. So this is a trial quiz, and student view. Okay, perfect. So all you have to do is click on the quiz. Okay, it will be displayed to you like this. Okay, so first of all, you will see some questions here. It's what is your name? Okay, let's say my name is Farida Al-Hamadi. Okay, what class are you in? I am in 4A. And what is the name of your teacher? My teacher's name is Miss Christina. And then you submit. Okay, so guys, this is how you will proceed to your assignment today through Microsoft Teams. Don't forget, be online 11:15. We start at 11:20. Click on the assignment, take the quiz, and you can start your assessment. As I said, I will be there. You need to keep your microphones on. You need to keep your videos on. Make sure you sit in a quiet area, and I will be there to answer your questions or guide you through the exam. If you have a question, type it in the chat option. All right, so I hope this was helpful. Now let's move on to the rest of your day, basically. You will start your day with maths. Actually, in maths, we are going to be learning about the clock, and you will learn about how to convert a 24-hour clock into AM and PM time. So, for example, 20:00 would be 8 PM, whereas 8 just 8:00 would be 8 AM. All right, then you have the second lesson. Please make sure you attend your classes according to your timetable. And then we have break time and the assessment. Guys, once again, we start assessment at 11:20, but you must be online 5 minutes prior to that. So 11:15, okay? And then after that, you have a science lesson. You are going to be learning about food chains, about consumers, producers, and then you will have to do work in your CGP workbook. Guys, you have an activity in both a math and a science, but there is absolutely no folder on Dojo for that for tomorrow. So this is because we have an exam and we don't want to kind of distract you from that. So that's why we decided there will be no folders on Dojo for today. Okay. So that's your day. Our riddle yesterday was After a train crashed, every single person died. Who survived? So the answer was all of the couples survived, okay? Um, Taking a look at your answers. I actually haven't looked at them yet. Right, so only 16 comments. Why? What about the rest? That's only half of the class, guys. All right, Celine, all the married people survived. Yes. Samiha, anyone who is not single. Yes. Safe. Mohammed, married people. Yes. Uh, Anahita, some part of train survived. Okay. Anya, married couples. Yes. Also Patrick. People who did not travel on the train survived from Mariam. Okay, very good thinking also. Shaheen couples, also Yalmaz, married people, Ryan couples, Haneen, people who were not single, Hayden, those who didn't travel on the train. Okay. Um, some people died and some people were alive from Divine. Okay, yeah, that's what they said. We just need to figure out who. And Amina, married people, couples, families, people who didn't travel in the train will survive. Okay, very good thinking. I'm very happy with these replies. Guys, I'm just slightly worried about the 16 replies only. That is, I don't expect that 29 out of 29 students will answer, but 19, that's only half of the class. Anyway, your riddle for tomorrow is what travels around the world but stays in one spot? Once again, what travels around the world but stays in one spot? Okay, please, looking forward to your answers below this post on Class Dojo. And interesting facts, I promised you another planet. Today it's going to be about planet Mars. Okay, sit back and listen. Um, this is how Mars looks. Okay, I think we're all pretty much familiar with how Mars looks. All right, so Mars is nicknamed the red planet because it is covered with rust-like dust. Okay, so if you remember yesterday, I was telling you about what happens to a metal rod if it becomes wet. It has there's rust, there's like a red particles on it that form because of certain chemical processes. And Mars has a dust that looks like rust, so like kind of orange reddish. Even the atmosphere is pinkish red, colored by tiny particles of dust thrown up from the surface. Right, next one. Mars experiences violent dust storms which continually change its surface. Very interesting. All right, Mars has many massive volcanoes and is home to Olympus Mons, the largest volcano in our solar system. It stands 21 kilometers high and it's 600 kilometers across the base. That is massive. Can't even imagine. Mars has a very thin atmosphere made mostly of carbon dioxide. It is not thick enough to trap the sun's heat like Venus, so the planet is very cold. Temperatures range from minus 120 degrees Celsius on winter nights to 25 degrees Celsius in the summer. Mars has many channels, plains, and canyons on the surface, which could have been caused by water erosion in the past. And Mars has a very weak gravity, which cannot hold onto the atmosphere well. So you would probably be also floating very much on Mars if you landed there ever. Anyway, the polar ice caps, okay, on planet Mars consist of frozen carbon dioxide, dry ice, which lies over a layer of ice. So an exciting planet indeed. All right, so today we will meet on Teams at 1 o'clock during their time. So please be on time, and I'm wishing you good luck in your assignment. Sorry, in your it's called assignment on Teams, but it's your assessment. I'm gonna be there in case you don't understand the questions. I'll be there to rephrase these questions. Please note that parents are not allowed to help you out with the answers. You need to answer for yourself. All right, brilliant. So looking forward to seeing you at the assessment, at the exam, and also at 1 o'clock on Teams. All right, have a lovely day.